These are not people who are in those counties. These are not people who have been tested in those counties. And these are people who have not arrived in those counties because they are in quarantine. And they are quarantined as they came through the airport. So, Kakamega County, the residents are as follows. Kakamega County, 1 resident. Kiambu County, 2 residents. Kilifi County, 1 resident. Machakos County, 1 resident. Mombasa County, 7 residents. Murang'a County, 1 resident. Nairobi County, 1 resident. Nyamira, 1 resident. And international, the 4 that I have said, from 2 each, from Cameroon and from Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Kenyans,